Which weird zoning laws impact property ownership? Imagine owning a property only to find out that a strange local rule could limit what you can do with it. Zoning laws shape how neighborhoods develop, but some rules are quite unusual. These laws can surprise property owners and even change property values. One odd rule involves non-conforming or grandfathered uses. If a business or building was legal before new zoning laws, it might be allowed to keep operating even if it no longer fits the current rules. For example, a factory in a residential zone might still run because it was there first. But if the owner wants to expand or change the building, they might need special permission or face restrictions. Staying aware of these rights is key to protecting your property. Another interesting aspect is variances and special exceptions. When zoning laws prevent certain uses or building features, owners can apply for a variance. This allows them to do something normally not allowed, like building a taller fence or adding extra units. To get a variance, owners must prove that strict enforcement causes them undue hardship. The process involves submitting an application and attending a hearing, which can take several months. Some areas also have pre-approved exceptions for specific uses, like churches or schools, in residential zones. Boundary disputes also tie into weird zoning laws. Sometimes neighbors build on each other's land or use parts of the property without permission. If this use continues long enough, it might lead to an adverse possession claim, which could transfer legal ownership. These disputes can be complicated and may require legal action to resolve. Eminent domain is another unusual law that impacts property owners. Governments can take private land for public projects like roads or schools, but they must pay fair compensation. This process can be sudden and unexpected, so owners need to be prepared for negotiations or legal challenges. Single-family zoning has been common for decades, especially in California, limiting how many homes can be built on a lot. Recently, laws like California's Senate Bill 9 have changed this. It allows property owners to split their lots or build additional units, increasing housing options. This upzoning can boost property values but also brings changes to neighborhood character. Some local rules are just plain quirky. For instance, certain towns ban house painting or roof repairs on Sundays. Others restrict keeping specific animals, like chickens or goats, in residential areas. These restrictions can surprise owners who want to make improvements or keep pets. Deed restrictions are separate from zoning but still affect property use. These are private agreements that limit what owners can do, like banning certain pets or architectural changes. While some older restrictions, like racial covenants, are no longer enforceable, modern deed restrictions can still influence how you use your property. Understanding these unusual laws helps Asian American property owners make smarter decisions. Knowing about zoning variances, upzoning laws, and boundary rules can help protect investments and find new opportunities. Staying informed about local regulations ensures you can navigate the property market confidently and avoid surprises down the road.